We're in Holland. Yeah, we're definitely in Holland. €30 to stable your horse.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So this is the last thrilling instalment in this little bit of a video. As you've seen, the car, which I shall show you in a minute, Knarly 2, the salvage Touareg Escape, has been all the way up to Ivalo, 300 miles inside the Arctic Circle, where she was used during our testing as a bit of a safety vehicle and a recovery car. And she also stayed then in Finland to do some other work. And our coordinator Raquel took her all the way from Finland, drove her back down through the Arctic Circle, through Sweden, across into Denmark, took the ferry in a pretty horrendous storm, and finally turned up in the middle of Holland in Iceland. We then had to weather that next storm. It didn't look like we were going to make it back. So this isn't very much fun at all, in all honesty, and there's a lot of time pressure. I've got to make it back to the UK, to Northwich in Cheshire, for my son's 18th birthday. You'll have seen him in one of the sprinting videos. But I have a small problem. We're 4,060 kilometres into the drive, and I'm stuck in Holland. The reason being, obviously, this vehicle was modified for Finland. It was modified to deal with minus 40 degrees and icy conditions. One of those modifications included the tyres, and it's not actually legal for us to travel any further. But we planned ahead, so I'm here in Apeldoorn in Holland, in the Netherlands, waiting for John. So John, you may have seen, I can't remember if he's been in any of the videos, but you will do soon. And this is the last time you'll see the car looking like this, because it's coming back to the UK now because she's tired. She's done a lot of work. The wrap's got a lot of damage. Some helpful muppets driven into the front corner of the car for us in the car park. She's got a lot of stone chips. Some pins have busted the windscreen. And to be honest, I'm a bit bored of looking at it like that. Maybe the editing elves can actually show you what she looked like when we got her. She was in a sorry state. She's a very rare car, this one. They only made 534 of these. She's a Touareg Escape, so she's got the low-range gearbox and the diff locks. She's used for developing HT and off-road tyres. That's what this on the front here is. This is from Dark Side Developments in the UK, and this is a special heated light. So this light's actually got a heated element in it, so at minus 40 when we're driving it doesn't freeze. So if you want to give us a like, a subscribe, and see exactly what the car's going to look like when we're finished redoing the wrap. It's been quite a transformation, and there's nothing better than saving something special. A wheel change in the middle of nowhere, complete with, look, safety clogs. Who knew? We're in Holland. Yeah, we're definitely in Holland. €30 to stable your horse.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So that's the pins off. All terrain's on. Head for the ferry. Home in time for tea, cake and medals. And another silly adventure. I think actually the next thing I'm doing is going to Monaco for the historic Grand Prix. That's on my way to Spain, and actually Knarly 2, the car behind me, will be coming to Spain. She's actually going to be towing down Leggings, the grey Golf, one of our test cars. She's actually dragging them back, so we had to bring them back for an MOT, and I'll be driving the blue GTI, Golf GTI down. May actually do a video with Adam from Adam Drives on the Golf 7 and the Golf 8 GTI. If he gets his finger out. And I've also got some fermented shark in the back to kill him and Dan with, which is going to be brilliant. So please give us a like and subscribe, and if you want to see what the new wrap looks like also, that's work in progress. Chris Nyland from CNN Signs is doing that literally as we speak. So I'm going to give John a bit of a helping hand rather than standing here a bit like a prima donna whilst he does the wheels, but I think the effort that's gone in by everybody in the team to make this happen, this adventure, has been truly amazing. The fabulous guys in Iceland, so Goofy from Ice Trek, please look his company up if you need to do anything in Iceland. He is your man. And a big thanks to my team, obviously Dan, Raquel and John, for pulling all these bits together. This is a proper balancing act. Literally, we have a matter of hours to make this work now. So we have to make the ferry. We had all that disaster with the weather in Iceland. I've got Lewis's birthday. This car goes in for the re-wrap, then the re-MOT, and then it's gone, all in a matter of 4 days. So best part of 5,000 kilometres comes down to literally a matter of minutes, but we wouldn't have it any other way.